Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to make a black forest cupcake. So let's get started. To make the cupcake, you can use a cake mix or make my 1 bowl chocolate cake batter. In this bowl I have 1.5 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of cocoa. And I'm just going to mix those up. Just until the cocoa's all mixed in. Pretty much like that. I have a cup of water, 1/2 cup of oil, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to add that to my batter. And I'm going to mix it until it's all mixed together. Like that until it's fairly smooth. And I'm going to fill the muffin cups approximately 2/3 full. And this recipe will make 1 dozen cupcakes. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes. And here's how the chocolate cupcakes will look when they're done. And as you can see, they're very dark because there's no milk in these. In this bowl, I have 1/2 cup of softened margarine. You could use butter. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm just going to mix that in. And I'm going to add 3 cups of icing sugar. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm just adding soy milk, but you can add any type of milk that you like. And I'm going to beat it until smooth. Like that. Okay, I've got my cupcake. And I've placed a plastic sandwich bag inside of glass, and I'm going to fill it with frosting. So now that I have my frosting in the bag, I just push it all down towards the point. Twist this like this. Cut off the tip. Like that. Now I'm going to take my cupcake and I'm going to cut a hole in the top. Like that. And I just cut the point off. And then with a spoon I'm just going to scoot a little bit more out. Like that. Pipe in some of the frosting. And then I'm just going to place a cherry right down in the center like that. And pipe over the top. And then place the cover back down. And now I'm going to pipe all the way around. So I'm going to start along the bottom and I'm going to pipe all the way around. Just making a circle and coming in like that. And then I'm going to sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles on top. Like that. And place a cherry on the top. And there you have it, a black forest cupcake.